Here comes Anika. Anika, say hi.
Mama.
Yeah? Let's go practice the steps. Should we go practice the steps? Come. Let's go. I think I hear Nicholas is coming. Down a long hallway. Oh, Anika's walking backwards like Mama. And who's this coming? Around the corner, it's Nicholas. Okay, now we gotta, let's practice the steps. This is all of our shoes that they were just playing with. Let's watch Anika come up. Oh, what a big girl. What a big girl. Nicholas does the same. Now we're going to just coming down. This is a lot harder. They just woke up, huh? And they took off their pants. They're just in their diapers. You can do it, Anika. Good. Good. Good! Yay! Let's watch Nicholas. Last one. You can do it. Yay! What a big... Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi. Hi. He wants to see. Okay. Boop.
Puppy.
Okay, come stand up and say bye-bye, Anika.
Puppy.
Say bye-bye. 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 Oh, he wants to get out of the house. Bye-bye.